So since I cannot really find a video of an unboxing or any use case of this Kiltech vest mount, I decided to do one. So let's try to unbox this one, see what's inside, and mount our 24-inch monitor on it. So it's vest mount and it has a gas spring. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. By the way, the model of this one is SH130-C012. Okay, so inside the box, what we have is a manual on how to assemble it. So I'm guessing it has an included screws and Allen wrench. So that's that, and finally the mount. So in the styrofoam it's saying LDT26-C012, but on the box what is said is SH130-C012. Okay, yeah, the model is SH. And now this is the mount, okay? Alright, build quality wise, yeah, it's really tough as this supports monitors. This should support monitors that are from 17 inches up to 32 inches. So we have this mount itself, the arm, and then we have the clamp. So yeah, looking at the clamp, I was actually hesitant to buy this one because there were actually no video reviews, but there were Amazon reviews, although sometimes I don't trust those reviews. So this is the actual mount or the clamping mechanism that it has. It's really sturdy, it's heavy duty. I just wish that this one is colored black instead of the silver. And we have this other mount part. So we have a long screw, let's open it up. So we have a long screw, and then we have 2 Allen wrenches, some screws, some locks, some screws, okay, some blocks, and some extra plates, if you may. So let's keep that aside. I'm not sure if this is needed for what we intend this to be used on. And then we have some other set of screws with spacers or washers. And we have this another mount. So that is what is inside the box. If you are so this is what's inside the box if you're planning to buy this, and if you have a special application for it. So we have the arm itself, the clamp, some other mounting options probably for the extra screws, and the extra plates that you can see here. Now we're gonna be attaching this and seeing if it is worth the money. So as for the build quality, as you can see, the outer layer of the arm is made of plastic, but inside is the metal parts. Okay, so it's metal all throughout inside, and I think it really does make an impact on how good it looks. It looks actually nice because of the plastic bezels that is outside, and it has this small branding here. If it's just a full metal, then I don't think it will look that good because it really looks bulky, but it's just a plastic outside and a metal inside. So there are 2 options in mounting it. One is using the clamp with this one, and one is not by clamping it but using a screw. that you can drill inside of the table. So I'm better off with this one, with the screw, I guess. I really like this one, but I'm not gonna do this for now. Maybe in the future I'll do that one, but for now I'm gonna be mounting it through the clamp just to see how tough it is and how good it is. And I'm gonna be clamping it to my monitor through this. The small holes with the labels are for the monitor, and the big holes here are for mounting the clamp to the arm itself. And the metal support of the arm, it's really bulky. See, it's really heavy. So yeah. So after doing some cable management, finally, this is how the mount looks. So one thing to consider when using this with a 24-inch monitor is that, as you can see, some of the arm is protruding out when I'm looking directly in front of it. But when I am on my looking position or when I'm in my sitting position, it doesn't really matter. I cannot see that. But just something to keep in mind if you're gonna be using this arm for a 24mm screen. For the clamp, it's actually really nice, although I would have wished that this is colored black or it is painted. It's really nice, it's really sturdy and tough. I am very comfortable that this will be able to hold more than 24 inches of monitor weight. As for cable management, there are actually some holes that are in the arm where you can insert some Velcro straps or some of these cable ties, and you can actually cable tie your cables to the arm. There will be no issue with that, as that is actually in the back. So as for me, as you can see here, there is just one cable tie, but I'm gonna be cable tying all of these once I finalize my setup. So that would be it for this video. I hope you like our content for this video about the monitor arm that we have right now. This is actually really cheap and it does the job. It does the job fine. Like if you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet, and see you on the next video.